So Congress और NCP alliance में 40 seats लड़ेगा.
No question. We are fighting all 46. We are preparing for all 46. And I would like to also make it clear to all people that we are not going to succumb to any kind of pressure. Whether we lose or win, we want to have a dedicated, loyalist congressman as Congress candidates in this coming election.
Does that mean Pandurang Madkekar?
Well, it means everyone. That includes Pandurang Madkekar also. If he is not interested, we'll find another candidate.
Has it been finalized that he is not going to be the candidate?
Well, that is his choice. We are not going to be pressurized. We are not going to be blackmailed by anyone. The Congress stands firm that we are not going to be blackmailed by anyone.
What he's doing is actually blackmail, sir?
Well,
Mr.
that may be that is the perception which you have to look at. He's been making contradictory statements, so therefore I can't say anything on that. But we will not succumb to any kind of pressure.
But now going alone is a final decision or anything,
Well, we are, as I told you, we are preparing for all 40 seats. If anyone has to come, he is most welcome, but he has to fight on Congress symbol.